Well guys, this holiday season I picked up the JBL Go 4 and the JBL Clip 5. Brand new to the market, both of these. So today I'm going to do a little comparison between the two. In case you're on the fence about spending the extra cash on the Clip, let's get into it. So first off, let's say you are someone who wears backpack and you want to attach this to your backpack. All right. Both of these, obviously the Clip is made for that, where you just clip, literally, like it's real easy. Okay, the little clip on there. That's why they call it a Clip, right? This right here does have a little lanyard right here that you can attach to. So really, you can get yourself one of those Clip and just attach it to here. So in terms of like portability and the way you carry on your backpack, I don't think it's any different having a dedicated metal clip on here versus a little lanyard here, right here. If you look at this, form factor wise, the Go is a little bit smaller, I would say, than the Clip 5. And also, on top of that, you have to think about the whole metal, dedicated metal attachments right here that doesn't really go away. So think about that as well. So if portability is your thing, probably the Go 4 is the way to go. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm going to do a little test for you guys on these. So I believe Clip 5 is attached right now. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Volume wise, the Clip 5 is very loud. So I'm going to go about 80% volume for you guys. Even that's already too loud. The mic's right here. So we're going to play a little music for you. I'm pretty sure my mic suppressed some of those noise, but boy, that thing is like super loud right here. The speaker, I mean, the bass module on the back actually vibrates your hands if you hold it in your hands. So that's why I kind of have to like dangle it like that. Anyway, let's go over to the Go 4. All right, we're gonna start the song over again. Once again, 80% volume on this baby. Okay, 80% volume. Yes, it is still loud. It's just that it's not as loud as the Clip 5. I definitely like noticed that just with my ears. The bass module, it's pretty good on this one. I think I don't know if they're the same. Honestly, I haven't read up on the specs on these, but I feel like the Clip 5 bass is a little bit more. But once again, if you're holding it in your hand and stuff, you're not going to feel much of a difference. If you put it down, though, you will. The table will shake with the Clip 5. So, yeah, guys, that's the comparison right there. Clip 5 versus the Go 4. I don't know. You're paying a little bit more for the Clip 5, but realize that it is a little bit bigger, especially with the metal handle that comes out of this. The Go 4 is definitely a more portable options for you guys. So anyway, let me know if which one you pick. Have a good one. Whoop. Bye-bye.